Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I'm here to show you the complete new May release at A Colorful Life Designs. So I'm going to go through all the products with you, but if you're interested in how I use these products for various different projects, then be sure to check out the link below in the video description box where I will link the playlist for the month of May, and all of the videos as they become available will be in that category. So let's jump right in. Now, when you order from Mary Kay, it will come in a bubble mailer like this, and the stencils will be inside of a manila folder. So she sent me a little extra card blingage there. Okay, so to start off with this shebang here. We got another stamp set. This is called Happy Thoughts. So these are pretty decent size. There's just a handful on here. Looks like sending, big love, sending happy thoughts. Love knows no borders. Lots of love from afar. Yay all day. I love that one. It's so unique. And oh, happy, happy, happy day. So these are just fun kind of general use. Would be great for birthdays or just kind of thinking of you, sending love, that kind of thing. So kind of a nice mix and match sort of option here with these few, but otherwise just some nice general sentiments to use on your cards. And again, this is called Happy Thoughts. So this is a 3x4 stamp, and these are photopolymers, so really good high quality stamps. So now let's jump into the stencils here. Now when you order, it may have an extra plastic envelope like this one, but only if it has multiple pieces or multiple layers, because Mary Kay is trying to cut down on plastic waste. So if it's just a standalone stencil and doesn't have little pieces parts, then it will just be stacked in this manila folder. Now this one is so cool, guys. I'm so excited to try this. So this is called Layered Square Mandala. You can see it's got 3 layers here. So you could use these all individually, or you could use them together. And I'm so excited to play with this and see how it turns out. So very unique, very cool. That's Layered Square Mandala, and that's got 3 layers. Okay, now this one, we got another layered one. This is Layered Wavy Lines. So this, I automatically think, oh, well, this would be cool for like waves, things like that. So again, you could use these individually, use them together. They kind of overlap a little bit, it looks like. So again, it's one of those, I'm just going to kind of wing it as I play and see what we make with it. So very cool, Layered Wavy Lines. Okay, we got quite a few here with multiple pieces. So I got quite a few of these little plastic pouches in this order. Now this one is called, this is so cool, Split Circle. Okay, so if you aren't familiar, Mary Kay has a whole line of stencils that are called splits. They're very unique and cool. They're some of my favorite in the shop, honestly. They're just so different. And these are also called splits. There's actually a couple of them here. So I'll just show you this one. This is Split Circle, and I'm assuming Split Square. Yep. And you can see, you can kind of mask off and color, you know, differently. So lots of options here, lots of versatility, but it has these 2 pieces here. Same thing with the square. So you can kind of mask off this open portion. So lots of fun different ways to play with that. Be sure to watch for my samples as I go to town playing with these awesome stencils. So Split Square and Split Circle. Set these aside. Okay. Yet another layered one. Oh, this one is so cool. Really excited about this one. This one is called Layered Solar System. How fun is that? So you can kind of color in a different color into these components of it. And then this will kind of mask it off. And then you can kind of color in the galaxy background. So how fun is that? This is one you definitely want pixie spray. It is quite delicate, but will no doubt be super fun to play with. So I love out of this world sort of space type theme ones. So that's really fun. Okay, this one we have Air Jaunt. How cool is that? So you can make, you know, like a little circle and then stamp a sentiment in here. Be a nice way to kind of draw the eye into the center of this wreath sort of shape. Okay, and then another plain one here, Globe Trotting. So lots of kind of travel theme or, you know, outer space kind of things so far. So Of course, there's a nice mix of everything. She tends to do, you know, if she has a bit of a theme, she'll still always do kind of more general year-round use sort of things as well. Now this one is so cool. Classic travel. Look at this one. I'm so excited about this. This one is so neat. So this would be great for masculine cards. You know, if someone's going on a trip, or just, you know, someone maybe lives around the world from you that you're missing. Orbits. How fun is this? So this would be one that you could use for anything. I mean, this could just create a cool geometric background. Got the world on the mind, folks. But anyway, this one is called Orbits. And these are all 6x6 when they're this size. Okay, this one is called Night Sky. So fun, starry background. It's got all these little specks. I like that a lot. Kind of adds to it more than just the stars by themselves. Okay, and then this one we have Glittering Heavens. So again, this would be a really fun background. You got these stars and all these little dots. Just make a nice subtle background, or you could do it a nice bright color if you want it to be a little bit more dramatic. Now this one is called Star Points. So again, I'm thinking like you might be able to even mix and match some of these and create all different looks. So lots of different versatile options there. That was Star Points. Ooh, this one is fun. This one is called Star Stretch. So really cool geo feel here again. I like how it kind of morphs from this design into this one on this 6x6. Star Stretch. Okay, and this one is Astral Swirl. How fun is that? This would definitely make a cool background. You could even kind of go off the side here and just use part of it, and then leave room for sentiment down here. That's kind of where my mind goes. So very cool. Astral Swirl. And that was an A2 size card base, so 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. This one, Asteroids. How fun is this? This almost looks like a floral to me. I think I would play with this as if it were a floral, but kind of a cool whimsy look to it. Asteroids. And then this one is Meteor Shower. So this is just kind of a cool, I don't know, it reminds me a little bit of what, that video game, that old video game from the 80s maybe. I don't know, it reminds me of something, but I really like this. And my mind doesn't even necessarily go to meteors. I know that's the name, but I mean, you could use this for any general sort of background, and you can combine it with other ones too, just to add a little bit more texture and layering. Ooh, this one is so cool. Check this out. This is called Velocity. So cool, optical illusion looking one. Very cool. Again, great for masculine cards. Okay, this is a 6x9. This is Cosmos. So again, could use this for anything. This almost looks even like an animal print to me. So you could go any direction with this. Any color, any sort of layering. Create a full-on background or just a subtle background with like a light gray and do something else on top of it. So lots of options there. That's Cosmos. Another 6x9 here. This is Pointed. So kind of whimsy little points. Very cool. I like this one a lot. I see myself using this one a lot. Okay, and this would be really cool with a gel press too. Okay, I've got a couple more 6x9 here. Ooh, this one's fun. Again, pixie spray on this one. Whenever there's like a lot of like open slats like this, these are the ones where you're really going to want to consider using pixie spray. Contrails. So look at this. This is so cool. So you could get all sorts of different looks depending on where you move your card in this one. I mean, you could make it very different depending on where you move it around. So that's Contrails. And then this one is called Dangles. So very cool. Again, kind of geometric, funky. I don't know what this reminds me of. It's really cool. I'm going to hold this up to this. So you could kind of just go off the edge here. You could go all the way across. Maybe this way. Ooh, this might be cool, this direction. Ooh, look at that. That would be fun. Just all these little dots with lines. I think that's really fun. I don't know if you can see that. I think that would look really neat. Excited about that one. Okay, and then I have a couple 3x6 here. I have Shooting Star and Meteorites. So these are 3x6. I really like this one. Just like the blockiness of these little holes and whatnot. So shooting star and meteorites. So that, and again, the gorgeous Happy Thoughts stamp set, and that's going to complete the May release. So if you're interested in anything that I showed you, go below the video in the video description box and you'll find links. I do have a coupon, AmyFan10, that will save you 10% on your complete order. But if you want to save even more, you can save 20% with a Master Creator Bundle if you want the full release. So be sure to follow the link for that. And then you'll get that even larger discount. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Be sure to follow my playlist for the month of May if you want to see the projects that I'm going to make with all these goodies. And I will check you next time. Thanks. Bye.